Wanted to make a little video here of the kit that I purchased from Red Fox Baggers. I have a 2010 Electric Glide that bike was in great shape, but just wanted something a little different. I saw these kits and they were super helpful. I didn't take one beforehand, but I can show you the after of it. This is their 7-inch down, 14 back Godfather kit. And as you can see, let me get this on here. The lines, everything put on. I've got mechanical skills, but not too much for the body work. I want you to know that this has zero body work on this. And that's a big deal. And I'll say that again so you don't have to rewind it. There's zero body work on here that I did. There was a couple spots. As you can see, how everything fits. These side panels, they make them a little bit big where you can trim on the frame in here and around pushing, but that's just a minor trim that you can't see. Outside finishes were all, they put like a gel coat on the top of it, so it's just like glass when you get it. The tank, got the tank covers. So this was only a couple months. I'm going to say that I did wrap it. That was the first time I did that also. And this is also the first bike that I ever put together. These guys were real helpful with everything that I needed. They also told me, they sold me the air ride suspension, and it came with a handle button that they have. Everything you get right there, which is real nice. It's just up or down on that. And again, just the bike just looks great. So from going from a 2010, well, I guess the year doesn't matter, but from going from a ultra classic ride to this thing now, this definitely looks like night and day. And it was very quick and easy kit to do, and it looks great. I mean, everything just fits perfect. And as you can see, it's going to be drawing some heads. All right, so get yourself one. I'll be going and getting another one. Thanks. Bye.